Alright guys, so here's the Autel Evo battery charger. I don't have it plugged in or anything, but this is what it looks like on the very ends here. Okay. Now this has a little flap. It flips open like this. And to charge it in, this is, literally all you have to do is just like this, and it slides in. And then you can shut the little case there if you want to make it look so. So you go, opens it up right there. You can pull it right out. And you just literally, just straight in like this. And it goes in, so very secure when it's in there, and you can just set it upside down like this on the table and let it charge, what have you. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some accessories out here pretty soon, a case, because it does not come with a case, maybe a multi-battery charger, whatnot. I know Polar Pro, from talking to people, there's Polar Pro filters that are going to be coming out relatively soon to fit the Evo lenses. Guys, this is going to be a great thing. This drone is really cool, and I'm really excited to keep showing you more things about it. Alright guys, so right here I'm looking at the wires and the connectors for the controller to your phone or whatnot. So one thing I am noticing is if you look at these connectors, right, there's not one of them that's made for an Apple. So I'm only seeing Android connectors in the packaging here. So hopefully there's going to be some Apple cables that are going to be available. I'm sure aftermarket there's going to be something. So here we have the USB, and it's going to go right into the charger right here. As you see, my Evo battery is charging. You pop this bad boy off down here, and you can plug this in right there. And as you see, it's going to go ahead and get charging. So what I'm going to do, it shows you it's already 65% charged. I'm going to make sure that all of this is 100% charged, and hopefully tonight I'm going to get a night flight. Alright guys, so earlier in the video I mentioned that it did not come with any Apple plugs for my iPhone. So real quick, I have my iPhone 7 Plus in, and it fits nicely even with my case on. Also, right here, you can go ahead and plug in just your regular Apple device, or Apple cord rather, and you just plug that in like so. Right at the bottom here you have your USB. You plug it in like so, and then plug your Apple device in, and it will be, it should, and I haven't tested this yet, plug in. But here we go, I'm going to turn this on real quick. There's your power button right there. Push and push down, and it will beep at you. Okay, and you see right here you have your return to home, you have your pause to your aircraft, your power button obviously, and then if you want to push and hold you can take off or land. So one of the things also it's going to happen, look what happened, it's actually going to charge my iPhone while it's plugged in. So you have your 3.3 inch 720p display that's actually on the controller itself. Now one thing I noticed when it was plugging in, I know I have 86%, but I'm going to go ahead and plug it back into 100%, is when it plugged in, I heard a buzzing sound. Right here you have a fan down there in the back here, so if it's plugged in you hear a bzzz. Don't worry about that, because it's actually just keeping your device cool so it avoids overheating, because again you have that 720p 3.3 inch monitor that's trying to keep cool. Again, if you want to order the Evo, right down below there's a link for DroneWorks. You can order batteries, any accessory that's going to be coming available for the Evo is going to be all available at DroneWorks. Check them out. Take it easy.